If you could get into a time machine and go back to your younger self, what would you do differently in your professional life? Hi, my name is Gavin and I bring you simple videos on self-development because I believe self-development is the greatest investment. Today I want to speak with you about the advice that I would give to my younger self, specifically my 21-year-old self, because that's when I began my career. The first advice that I would give my younger self is that to understand the perspective of my boss. You see, as a young man, I often got stuck up in my own view of a particular situation and failed to understand my boss's perspective or his point of view of that situation. And now, with experience, I realized that if I understood his perspective, I would see the bigger picture, and that would have helped me to get things done faster at work. The second advice I'd give my 21-year-old self is to understand the perception that my boss as well as the client have about me. Let me explain this with an example. Say you gave your car for servicing and the car mechanic did a fantastic job at fixing all the faults in your car, but didn't really wash the car well. When you pick up the car and drive away, you are left with the perception that he did a shoddy job because you don't see the car washed well. The fact that he did a great job in fixing all the faults may not even come to your notice. Similarly, doing a great job is good for my job satisfaction. But the perception of my boss and my client will determine how soon I get promoted at work. And so, the second advice that I would give my younger self is to be aware of the perception that my boss and my client have about me. The third advice that I'd give my younger self is to take perceptual positions, which means to view the same situation through different positions. So I would view the same situation as myself from the eyes of my boss, from the eyes of my client, as well as from the view of a fly on the wall, which means a neutral position. Now, taking perceptual positions would have helped me to understand certain situations better. The good part in this one is that you can use perceptual positions at whatever age you are, and both in your professional as well as personal life. So if you have a conflict with someone, view the situation from your own perspective or from your own eyes, and then view the situation from the eyes of the other person, and then third, view the situation from a neutral position, which means as a fly on the wall. You may learn a lot about the same situation by viewing it through different positions. So that's the third advice that I would give myself. The fourth advice that I would give my 21-year-old self is to learn NLP at a younger age. You see, if I had learned NLP at a younger age, it would have helped me understand how my own perceptions are built and how I can change my perspective about different things in my professional life. That in turn would have accelerated my career growth. So to reiterate, there are 4 things that I would advise my 21-year-old self. 1. Understand the perspective of my immediate boss. 2. Understand the perception of my client and my boss about me. 3. Take perceptual positions. And 4. Learn NLP at a younger age. And so that's the advice that I would give my 21-year-old self. What would you advise your younger self, whatever age that you are at? If you're in your 20s and this video resonates with you, do share it with your friends. And if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can hear more from me. See you soon.